time Mheshimiwa Kostan is coming back here. Last time we were standing here, he did promise that he'll come back with his team. Now that he has a whole team, procurement, the GM, all engineers, just to figure out what they're going to do next. He has promised that in another 2-3 weeks, they will have started the issues of procurement. Hopefully that we want to ask them before the president comes, that by the time the president comes here, he comes with the contract. Honorable Mbati has just indicated that always these things happen nearer to elections. We don't want this one to be a weapon of election. It's a weapon of development and the business. Therefore, we are looking forward to really to ask as you have promised, good brothers. I was with him in Parliament. You guys, let us fulfill it. I know that the president, yes, has done some good work. He has what he promised. Some of the roads that he promised in the county at that time were here. They have actually been procured. There are those ones which are on a design stage, as it were. Therefore, looking forward that this one will be able to be finished. I'm told now they are not going to do Category 1 planes landing here. They want to see if we can have Category 2. Category 2 is the light flights because of the runway. Looking forward, I've asked them if we can talk to the community. The issue of backfilling, the other side, will definitely have to look for more resources. And now that I'm in government, I've just indicated I'm this broad-based government and we are running the country. We can always compensate the people down there and the other side. We look for more money, we put into it. Mkiniuliza $500 million, ni save from wherever I'm saving, na nyinyi mweke 500, we'll have done a very good airport here. That's what I'm looking forward to, so that this place can again get back to its footing. Therefore, we want to urge our people, be patient. Let us see what the government can be able to do within that around 5 months, as the chairman has just indicated. Thank you.